So question 31. A large rectangle is made by joining three identical small rectangles as shown. The perimeter of one small rectangle is 15 centimetres. Work out the perimeter of the large rectangle. So we're told that one of these small ones is 15 centimetres. And we've got to find the perimeter of the large rectangle here. Okay, so what can we see from this diagram? Well, we can see that we can fit the width of two small rectangles along the length of a small rectangle. So let's say we call that width x, and we call that width x. Well, that width there is the same as this one, and that width is also the same as this one. So that's x and another x. So this must also be x and another x. So altogether, we've got a rectangle with 2x, x, x, 2x. And we know that perimeter is 15. So we can say that 6x equals 15. Your job now will be to find out how much 1x is, and then you can find the perimeter of the entire rectangle, because you will then know the length of this and the length of this, which you can use to find the perimeter of the whole rectangle. Question 32. Put the numbers in order from smallest to largest. Well, your first thing to do here is probably to change them all into decimals. You have some numbers written in standard form, so you need to change them into decimals, then you'll be able to see quite clearly which one's the smallest and which one's the largest and put them in order. So what does 8 times 10 to the power negative 4 actually mean? It means we've got to divide 8 by 10 4 times. So divide 8 by 10 once and you get 0.8. Divide it by 10 twice and you get 0.08. Divide it 3 times and divide it 4 times. So that's the first one converted into a decimal. Clearly that is a lot smaller than 0.07. Do the same for the second number, same for this number, same for this number, and then you'll be able to compare them. To compare them easily, put them vertically above each other with the decimal points in the right place. So 0.0008. These two still need working out, but if I was going to write it with the last one, 0.07. So you can see very clearly that the 0.0008 is much smaller than 0.07, but you've got to figure out where these two fit in as well. And that, I think, is the last question. Yes, it is.